Merry Christmas. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you here again. It's Christmas time, Christmas is coming, and I have some nice items for you. I have a Polo Ralph sweater, 2 Polo Bear sweaters, some bow ties and a necktie. To see all the items, watch the whole video. Let's get straight into it after the intro. Okay, like I said, I have some nice items for you. Let's get straight into the details. Okay, self-made packaging. This sounds nice. That's nice music. Here we have a nice Polo Ralph Lauren Polo sweater. A nice classic piece. This looks very nice. I like the colors. I like this nice ferrule design, and of course this is a very nice wool quality. This looks very great and it also feels very good. And let me see, this is 67% lamb's wool and 33% wool. You have the original Polo Ralph Lauren tag. And I have this ferrule sweater in a size large. Next item.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year.
Now this bear is very nice. It's called the Martini Bear, and yes, it's definitely the best dressed bear in the world. Look at all the details. Very good quality. You have here the RL in red. Nice detail, of course. So let's see what we have next. That's the original rugby ball created by Ralph Lauren. That's very cool. Very nice bow tie. Very nice quality. 100% wool, made in Italy. Very nice. Yeah, the next items, some nice bow ties. Let's see the last 2 items, and this is a special item. So let's open it up. This already looks nice. Written in gold, it's nice. Nice packaging right here. Yes, this looks nice. Merry Christmas. Can you hear the sound? Feels very good. I can feel the wool. Okay, so let's see. Oh, nice. The Ralph Lauren anniversary. Nice tag here. Original Polo Ralph Lauren tag. Now this Polo Bear sweater is amazing. Look at all the details. Look at the herringbone tweed jacket, the orange cashmere cable knit sweater, the Oxford shirt, navy and gold necktie, nice shoes, nice socks. You have the RL in orange to match the sweater. Now this is an amazing sweater, and what's really cool, I have the nice matching necktie, navy and gold, Polo Ralph Lauren. This looks very nice, as you can see. Matches very nice the necktie from the Polo Bear, and yes, this looks very nice. It's a very nice bear sweater, and yes, size medium now, it's okay. Size large would be better for me, but it's okay. I think I will keep this one because I don't know if I will have the chance to get another one in size large for the same price. You can see the necktie in navy and gold to match the necktie with the bear. I think this looks very good. And the Oxford shirt is very nice too. And I also have the herringbone tweed jacket, and I think this will be a very nice look. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, of course, I wish you a very nice Christmas, a peaceful time with your family, and a happy new year. And yeah, if you like this video, if you like my channel, give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too, and you will be informed when I upload a new video. And I hope I can do more videos in the future, but you know, it takes a lot of time doing all these videos. Also the editing takes a lot of time, so yeah. But I will try in the future to do some more videos. I have a lot of things to show, a lot of Polo Ralph Lauren items, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you soon again on my channel, Ivan's Fashion TV.